Neighborhood walk. Morning, morning, morning to everybody. Kamusta, neighbor? How are you?
Fine.
You having a good day? You don't care if I film you? That dog's ready. He's ready. He's pretty. He's a pretty dog. Good-looking dog there. Big. Yeah, I'm gonna go vlogging.
Okay.
Hello. Good morning. How are you? Yeah, everybody nice today. Yeah, we walking. This is right where I live, right down from where I live. I'm talking to myself, and everybody gonna think I'm crazy. Kamusta? Huh? Mabuhay. So. Morning. Kamusta po? How are you?
Very fine. How about you?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Hello. So let's go this way. Now, they picked up the trash a few days ago. But you see, they got to clean up where everybody stacks it right there. And then the barangay sends out somebody to. Good morning. The barangay sends out somebody to clean up the area, and usually the citizens do. Kamusta? How are you? And we'll follow these people down the road, but I'm not really following them. I'm just headed that way. So not much traffic. It's about 6:30 or 7 in the morning. I'm not sure exactly the time. And you can see some of the houses here and there. We build them for hurricanes or typhoons here. And they have a lot of them. I have a lot of them. Sorry, store. Every year they have, I couldn't tell you how many. I know I counted 16 since I've been here. So, Kamusta? Hello. Just vlogging. I'm just vlogging. Walking, vlogging. Huh?
Vlogging?
Yeah, just walking, vlogging. Kamusta?
Hello.
How are you?
Morning.
Good morning.
We're fine.
Good morning, sir. Everybody's so nice to me down here. This is Santa Lucia. It's right outside of, well, it is a barangay of Santa Ana. And good morning. And it starts right in Santa Ana, so it's one of the closer. It's one of the bigger ones. One of the bigger barangays. And there's only 14 barangays in the Santa Ana township. We're really near to the town of Arayat. There's only a couple of. Gas truck. Yeah, he was a bouncing. Morning. How are you? Anyway, I thought I'd have a walk this morning. I got to start doing a lot more of it. I used to when I first got here. If you'll look back on my videos, I vlogged a lot of walking. This is the Christ Revelation Church. Nice little church. I did a lot of vlogging, walking whenever I lived up in an apartment, which is ahead of us, actually. I've not lived anywhere but Santa Lucia and also in San Joaquin is where Betty's mom Dad and all them live at, which is behind the big church that you've probably seen on some of my videos. I'm not gonna walk that far. It's a good, I don't know. It's a long way through Santa Lucia here, and I'm about live in the middle of Santa Lucia, so that's how big it is on this national highway. And if you look that way, it goes all the way to the next town down. Good little walk. I don't know. It's probably another 1.5 kilometers to the market that way ahead of us. Now these are graveyards, where you can, buy space. And they look like, well, they have the All Saints Day and stuff like that, and they come and visit their relatives, and they really party it up, make a mess sometimes, but yeah. So these guys are taking a break here, side of the road, and I'm just vlogging away. Anyway, so the graveyards, they needed a little bit of cleanup. And before the next time they come to visit, hello, how are you? And next time they come to visit, they will be cleaned up pretty good. But this is St. Anne graveyard, and it's a private graveyard, so it depends on the people themselves to get it cleaned up. I've already vlogged down in here, St. Anne. This is like an extension of St. Anne, and then you go past these down here, and you'll come to the big St. Anne. We vlogged it too. Little nice store. Morning. Sun's got him right in the eyes, man. That's dangerous. Going behind me is the sun, so it's kind of dangerous and scary. Let's see. Let's see if I can flip this around. We'll get another view. A view of me walking. Give y'all a view of me walking. And let's see how I might just adjust this a little bit while I'm walking, so I can get it out away from me, so you can see better behind me. Yeah, you can see the traffic coming behind me. More traffic coming than going. More traffic coming to Santa Ana market, township, and stuff like that than there is going. And you can see really good that way. Let's see here. I get me a long distance photo. There we go. Sorry for the delay. But we'll do that. We'll pull off the side here. Now this is a side. Nobody's supposed to ride over here, but they do. That's why I watch what I'm doing. And if you don't, you get run over. And you never know. Somebody might not like Americans, You never know. It's just like America. Some people don't like other people, and they just stay away from them, or they try to run them off the road.